Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support and then resistance as we head into the weekend. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $1.80. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $1.80, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But in the event the price can somehow manage to stay above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture perspective. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very basic viewpoint of, hey, Clay, just tell me, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Again, yeah, if the price could stay above $1.80, that would be great. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. You can see the sellers are hanging up right around the $1.93 area, give or take. Yeah, the price didn't quite hit it, but I think we can all agree that's some of the main point of price congestion right around there. So that'll be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day to day. Great way to close out the week. Now it's just a matter of whether or not the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum. We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.